Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful hidden tools in Windows 11, the ability to instantly extract text from any screenshot using the snipping tool. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the snipping tool, or you can do this fast by pressing on the keyboard Windows plus Shift plus S, like this. And then next, just capture anything on your screen, maybe a paragraph from a website, a quote from a photo, or a list inside a PDF, literally anything that contains text, for example like this. Like this. Once your screenshot appears inside the snipping tool windows like this, just look at the toolbar, this one, and then just click on the text actions icon. Just tap on it, and okay. In just 1 second, Windows will automatically scan your screenshot and pull out all the text that it can be recognized. Just copy all text over here. And next, you can paste it directly into Word or Notepad or email or maybe chat or wherever you need it. Like this. You can see the text already pasted. And I think it's so fast, accurate, and huge time saver when you don't want to retype information manually. And okay, that's it. One of the most useful tricks in Windows that you probably didn't know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.